What's up, guys? So, good morning right now. As you can see, naka-pajama pa ako. And today is my birthday. My mom prepared something also for me. And she thought na magsi-celebrate ako ng birthday ko today. And she was expecting na lahat ng mga bisita ko, ang totoo niyan guys, we've invited kasama niya sa school at also yung lahat ng kapatid niya and the family. Sila yung darating ngayon sa bahay namin. Actually, hindi ako nag-invite ng mga bisita ko, ng mga friends ko for now kasi syempre ayaw kong maagaw yung moment niya because it's her 60th birthday. Actually, yung birthday niya talaga was last December 4. Pero syempre hindi ako nakauwi. Kakauwi ko lang nung December 24. So we've decided, ako at saka yung mga kapatid ko, we've decided na sa birthday ko na lang i-celebrate yung birthday niya. So, as you can see at my back, it's our flower bouquet for her. I am so grateful na God guide us for everything na ma-accomplish namin tong araw na to, and I'm praying na hindi pa man nagsimula yung event, everything will be successful at ma-enjoy siya at ma-enjoy niya yung birthday niya at ma-surprise siya. And thank you. Because actually right now we're still preparing. We just pick up the cake, the flower, and we're about, mamaya pag uwi namin babalik pa kami kasi bibili pa kami ng bili pa kami ng drinks, ng hipon, kasi kailangan namin dagdagan yung mga side dish. At my mom also, nagpalitsyon siya kasi nga akala niya magse-celebrate. Birthday ko naman talaga, pero akala niya na birthday ko ako yung magse-celebrate. Pero hindi niya alam, siya yung maso-surprise today. So, wala siyang ka-idea for now, guys. So, yun lang, samahan nyo kami today to celebrate my mom's 60th birthday. So, ayan, hindi pa ako nakaligo, guys. Pero nakapag-breakfast na ako. Ng ulam ko is amahong na ginisa. Tapos that's it, guys. I'm gonna update you again later. See you. Asa, daghan nagtao sa balay, mother? Daghan. Uy, nang-agi kami sa balay, tapos mubaking lang me. Daghan nagtao daw sa mong balay, kaya ang celebrant nagbiyahe pa. Baking. Ang celebrant, pa diri ka drive. Tingnan ka kayo. Birthday man po ni mother, pero December 4 siya. Ako today, Jud. Daghan kayo, mga mother no? Daghan na tao? Yang birthday girl na pag-drive. Yeah. Ha? Lagi, wala lang sidecar din. Ah, mali. Atara naman tayo.